6. High blood pressure. Get 4 seeds of English pear or avocado pear, cut into pieces, dry under the sun, and grind into powder. Put a teaspoon of this prepared powder into your pulp and drink once daily for 2 weeks. 7. Pneumonia. Get a handful of garlic, grind to extract the juice. Drink a spoon and use the juice to rub the chest and back. That will close the chapter. 8. Severe cough. Get about 8 pieces of bitter cola, grind to powder, and half cup of original honey. Take 2 spoons thrice daily for 4 days. For skin and reproductive health products or to lecture, just DM. Also, you can follow me on YouTube and Instagram at Joram Muwonge JM.